Prodemand versus Alldata. Which auto repair info system is better for your shop? Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Prodemand and Alldata, two of the most trusted automotive repair information platforms in the industry. If you're a technician, shop owner, or service writer trying to decide which system gives you the best wiring diagrams, OEM procedures, and diagnosis, this breakdown is for you. We'll kick things off by looking at what is Prodemand. Prodemand is Mitchell 1's cloud-based auto repair software. It gives you access to OEM repair procedures, real-world fixes from professional techs, guided diagnosis, wiring diagrams, component locations, labor estimates, and technical service bulletins. Its biggest strength is the SureTrack community, a huge database of expert verified real-world repairs. Now, what is Alldata? Alldata is another leading provider of OEM repair information, built directly from manufacturer data. Some standout features include factory repair manuals, TSBs and recalls, interactive wiring diagrams, OEM service procedures, diagnosis trouble codes, and maintenance schedules and labor time estimates. Alldata is trusted in tens of thousands of shops and is known for being as close to OEM spec as it gets. Now, if we were to look at some core features of both platforms, for instance, OEM repair procedures is available on both platforms. When it comes onto real-world fixes, that is not available on Alldata, but it is available on Prodemand. And also, if we were to talk about wiring diagrams, with Prodemand you'll be getting color-coded and interactive wiring diagrams, while on the contrary, with Alldata you'll be getting interactivity plus OEM accurate. And when it comes on to labor guides, with Alldata you'll be getting OEM and Clinton base, but with Prodemand you'll be getting Mitchell's labor time. And also with TSBs and recalls, that is available on both platforms. And when it comes on to mobile access, you can access both platforms from mobile. And also, if we were to talk about their search function, with Prodemand it is Smart Search plus one-click fix access. With Alldata, on the other hand, it is OEM keyword structure. And if we were to take a look at some standout strengths of both platforms, starting with Alldata, pure OEM data, updated directly from manufacturers, and extremely thorough for factory repair shops, interactive diagrams, and official TSBs, while Prodemand, on the other hand, blends OEM data with real-world experience. SureTrack lets you see common fixes based on vehicle and symptoms, and Smart Layout with guided diagnosis. And if we were to talk about ease of use, Prodemand is known for its simple UI and smart linking. It lets you go from symptom, probable cause to confirm fix very quickly, while Alldata, on the contrary, is highly detailed, but some techs say it takes more clicks to reach what you need, especially for diagnosis. If speed and user experience matter most, then I would recommend you go with Prodemand, as it may feel smoother. But if you are doing OEM accurate repair, Alldata is unmatched. Now, if we were to break down their pricing, when it comes on to Prodemand, as you can see right here, both platforms use quote-based pricing depending on base, users, and add-ons. With Prodemand, you can see that their pricing typically starts off at $184 and it can go up to $280. And this includes SureTrack, add-ons, and shop management estimating scheduler. And if we were to talk about Alldata and their pricing starts off at $199 and it can go up to $239. And this all depends on the features that you want, and bundles are available. For instance, you'll be able to bundle Alldata Repair plus Diagnosis and other add-ons, for example, Alldata Mobile, Shop Manager, Collision, and Community. So, in conclusion, which one should you use? I would recommend you use Alldata if you need pure OEM repair instructions, or you're focused on dealer level accuracy, or your techs are trained in depth and can follow detailed service procedures, or you're in a high compliance or specialty shop. While on the contrary, I would recommend that you go with Prodemand if you want real-world repair intelligence, or you value diagnosis, speed, and smart shortcuts, or you're a general repair shop that wants both OEM info and community-powered insights. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.